In this video, we'll learn how to make parametric opening. Create a torus. Increase segments and sides. Convert it to edit poly. Select all polygons. Go to modeling, then press generate topology. Press on inset. Make it by polygon. Go to scale and decrease it. Delete selected polygons. Make a copy. Select border and increase the scale. Add morpher modifier to the main model. Press on Pick Object from Scene. And select the second object. Press on Border. Go to Soft Selection. Start selecting. Don't forget to subscribe.